Okay, this video show you how to use OpenJDK 23 with NetBeans 23. Instead of using Oracle JDK 23, you can use Azul's Zulu OpenJDK 23. Let's add a new platform, Java Standard. So this is where I install Zulu OpenJDK 23. Next, I type it as a Zulu 23 because I already have a JDK 23. Okay, so we have two platforms. So this time when you create a new project, JavaFX, FX application, no errors, okay? So we are using Java application, let's say Zulu 23, FXML documents, okay? Make sure you remember this name because template gave us a different name. So we need to change later on. Finish. So if you look at project, we have FXML documents, and then here it said fxml.fxml. So name is different, so you have to fix it. And then include the package name. Everything seems okay. Let's make sure you have a package name and then FXML documents, okay, controller, which is the same name, that's okay. Let's go to options, Java, JavaFX. I already include the SceneBuilder. So let's open FXML with the SceneBuilder. Okay, I'm using SceneBuilder 23. Okay, latest version. Let me click label, is hidden, is there. Let me type the text, okay. Save it. You may need to update the controller, so say here, make controller. Okay, everything seems okay. I will leave it as it is. Let's build the project. Building project is the same, okay. Okay, when you launch your project, be careful. It may not work with the main menu directly. You have to run your application manually. JavaFX application run file, because this one has a main method inside. So let's click OK. It's loading now. Click me. Look at the label. Hello world. Okay. So make sure when you run JavaFX application, you have to click and then run from JavaFX application Java manually. Okay. So let me just quickly go through. First time, make sure you have Java FXML. Okay, the version 23.0.1. It depends on your SceneBuilder because one, so I show me 23.0.1 in the FXML documents.fxml. Okay, next one, first time, make sure you fix the FXML documents.fxml because template create a different name. Okay, include the package to your path. Okay, now you use Zulu OpenJDK. You don't have to use VM options. You don't have to add JavaFX jar files to projects. So it makes it a lot more easier to create the JavaFX application. That's all. Thank you.